Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. We're starting off today's video, kind of a sad one. The Cowie's down, as you guys saw in last video. So right now we're loading her up on the trailer and we're taking it to the shop. The shop closes in 45 minutes, but they're also a KTM dealer, so we're gonna check out some stuff while we're there too. I don't know what the plan for this whole video is. We're probably gonna go riding this weekend if this thing is fixed, but right now it's not looking so hot. So hopefully the shop can get it fixed. It's not too bad. The guy did tell me that if it is bad enough, they're gonna have to pull the motor. That's obviously not good, and that's obviously going to be very expensive. So let's hope that's not the case. Let's hope they can extract it pretty easily. But right now we got to load the Cowie up and I'm going to pick you guys up in just a second. All right, boys, we're on the road. We got the dirt bike in the back. We also got the JBL speaker because the piece of box doesn't have an aux cord. 300,000 miles, almost 300,000 miles, and she's still ripping without an aux cord though, so we got to bring the JBL. But we're on the way and we got to hurry because they close in 30 minutes and it's a 20-minute drive, so maybe I need to drive instead of vlog. I'll catch you guys when we're there because hopefully we can check out some of their showroom floor. Dang, it's dark. Come on, let's go. Oh, she's dropping off to get surgery. Got oil all over the trailer.
I just dropped the bike on the way.
We need to send this thing to the dump, dude. I have not gotten close to the new gases yet. It's a weird seat. I don't like how they have the chrome wheels. I'd definitely buy one of these if I wasn't broke. Red without having to buy a Honda? Count me in. It's a motocross one.
That looks stupid.
I know, that's what I was saying. It's so rounded. Look, it needs some new bars, okay? Going electric? Dude, you squat the rear end like I squat my 450. What's that for? Here, there, and gone? I don't think I've checked out the new KTMs either. The blue looking ones. See, now these, I don't know why, but these are like all black and nice looking, and the gases are just like chrome. So weird. And they got Shercos too. Oh, it does have an Acropovic. I watched a video and they said the right way to pronounce that. The right way to pronounce that is Acropovic.
Nope, not for me.
All right, boys, we're gonna get out of here. Hopefully they can get her dialed up by the weekend because we're planning to go riding this weekend twice, hopefully. And hopefully it's not too expensive. So I'll catch you guys in a couple days when we go ride. Hopefully my bike is fixed. Oh, boys, it has been, I don't know, about 2 weeks since I've seen you guys last. As you guys know, we did take the KX to go get fixed because of the oil plug issue. It wasn't too bad. It only took them an hour to extract it. And they got a new drain plug in there and everything's good. So this is where the video gets kind of happier because, boom! Check that out, boys. Look at that thing. That's right, boys. We got a pro circuit. Now I'm gonna put this thing down and tell you guys exactly why I got it. I'm gonna keep this short and sweet because I really want to put this thing on there. So I'm gonna keep it short and sweet with you guys. 2 reasons why I bought it. Actually, 3 reasons why I bought it. So one thing you guys need to know about me is I hate being unoriginal. Now I know what you're thinking. Ryan, if you hate being unoriginal, why would you put a pro circuit on a Kawasaki? Everybody does that. That's like the standard. Just like how Yoshis are on Hondas and FMF is on everything else, I guess. Now, I do have a good reason for it. 3 good reasons, in fact. Number 1, I really like FMFs, okay? I was really considering buying the blue titanium pipe, but I had a full FMF on my YZ450. I sold that bike, I don't know, a couple months ago. If you guys want to go check that video out, go to my channel. You guys will get to see the YZ. That bike was really sexy if you guys want to go check it out. I spent a lot of time and money building that bike to exactly how I wanted it, and it turned out sexy. But it did have a full FMF. It sounded great. It was amazing. I loved it. But for this bike, I wanted to get something different. Now, I know what you're thinking again. Ryan, there's tons of exhaust brands out there. Why would you go with the pro circuit when everybody does that? And here are my final 2 reasons. 1, this Kawasaki is known for breaking subframe brackets right here on this exhaust mount. The reason is because it has a rubber mounting on the stock one, whereas aftermarket ones sometimes don't put them on there. Now, one of the reasons why I got the pro circuit is because I knew 100% that this thing right here would come with a rubber mounting so I don't snap my subframe. And lastly was the price. The FMF titanium was about $200 more. I don't even want a full system. I'm keeping my stock header on there. This is just a slip-on. I didn't want to spend a ton of money. I want to keep it cheap, and it looks great. I mean, it's not titanium. It doesn't have the carbon end cap, but I think it looks great. And also, this pipe does a really good job of tucking behind the number plate. As you guys can see, this is one of the things that I absolutely hate about this bike is the fact that the exhaust sticks way out here for no reason. Well, this one's really short, and hopefully it's going to look great on the bike, where some of the other brands stuck even farther out than this stock exhaust, and I just don't think that looks good. So those are the reasons why I went with the pro circuit. Let's get to installing it. This exhaust actually comes with a spark arrestor, which you have to, hey Daisy, she came out of nowhere. But anyways, it comes with a spark arrestor that I'm going to be removing. It's just one little Allen key and then it slides out. But if I ever want to go do like a big trail race or anything, I could put that spark arrestor back in because they require it for the AMA something, I don't know. But anyways, I'm going to take it out because there's really no need for it. All right, boys, we got the spark arrestor out. That's what it looks like, this little pecker looking thing. But one thing I noticed about this exhaust is that this hole is freaking massive. I put my plug in there for reference. It goes all the way down. The FMF on my YZ did not go this far down. So hopefully this exhaust is going to let a ton of air through and hopefully make some more power. So I got the side paneling off and it looks like it's going to be this bolt, this clamp, and then it told me to loosen the head pipe so it can move around when putting the exhaust on so it all lines up correctly. This build is coming along great. I do have a surprise for you guys coming in the future, but it's not going to be in this video. You guys are going to have to wait, but it's dope. I promise you. You know what amazes me with exhausts like this, how actually quiet they are and how much they quiet your bike down? I'm going to scream into this end as loud as I can, and it barely comes out the other end. That was probably really bad, but you get the point. It's actually really quiet compared to what it would be with no muffler on there. All right, boys, I got the stock exhaust off. One thing that I'm actually really surprised about, this exhaust weighs like nothing. I'm so caught off guard. I figured this thing would weigh like 1,000,000 pounds. I actually think this exhaust might be heavier. I don't know. They're pretty close. They're maybe about the same. I'm not doing it for weight savings, doing it for sound and look, so doesn't really matter to me. But removing the stock exhaust was like the easiest thing ever. Hopefully it's easy to put this thing on. The question is, do we start it with no muffler? Y'all think that's bad for the bike if you start it without a muffler on there? I really want to do it. I'm going to do it. Why not? YOLO. I want to hear what it sounds like. Don't attempt this at home, kids. I'm not liable for your broken dirt bikes. God, dude, it's going to be so loud. It's so loud. It scared me. I jumped. All right, that was enough. That piqued my curiosity. I'm gonna put the Pro Circuit on now. All right, boys, I got her on there. It actually didn't take that long. The whole thing probably took an hour, and I was recording the video too, so not long at all. And I also did some steps wrong. I had to put some anti-seize on it, so it took a little longer than if I were to do it again. Look at it, dude. I love it. It's awesome. Can't wait to get this thing looking how I want it, and we're making steps in the right direction. I love how much shorter it is than that ugly stock pipe. And I also forgot to mention, I ordered this thing off of Rocky Mountain. They delivered this pipe to my house in one day. But without further ado, we're going for the first startup on this mean green machine. Oh, I can already tell just from the sound, it's already so much deeper than it was before. Oh, dude, I love it. It looks so aggressive. So much more airflow, too. All right, boys, here we go. It's louder. It's louder and a lot deeper. That got me really excited. I can't wait to ride. This build is coming along so clean. I love it. It's awesome. And we're almost complete with it. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to go ride tomorrow. I'm actually doing a double header this weekend since I didn't get to ride yesterday. I haven't ridden in like 2 weeks. So we're going to ride tomorrow and we're going to ride Sunday. So it's going to be a great weekend. I hope you guys are excited, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow when we wake up to go ride. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is 11:20 right now, and we're just now leaving the house. So late as always, we're headed to the track. We're going to test out the Pro Circuit today, and I'm going to let you guys know if there's any power gain or not. So we're hitting the road, and we are headed to Monster Mountain today. So pretty big track. I hope you guys are excited, and I will pick you guys up when we are at the track. Alrighty, boys, we are here at the track. Just got ready. Hopefully we're going to hit some big jumps today. Maybe hit some jumps that we didn't hit last time. We're gonna go and fire up the bike with the new Pro Circuit on there. Oh man, she sounds so good. Charlie looks like he's about to go into a damn hurricane or something. From the little bit I rode it, guys, it seems a little bit raspy, just a little bit, but it might sound good from the outside. I don't know. So we're gonna test it out today and see. It came with the spark arresters you guys saw earlier in this video, and I took it out. So maybe if I put it back in, it'll make it a little less raspy, but I don't know. We'll see. I didn't even stretch, dude. Gotta loosen up these old bones, dude. I'm getting old. We're gonna head out on the track. Our class is out there right now. We're not warmed up at all, so we're just gonna be chilling for the first little bit. First ride back with the Cowie since it got fixed. I'm so excited. All right, there's nobody coming. Let's go ahead and head out. The ruts are ripping today. This bike seems so much louder than it. Holy crap. Woo! Woo! The ruts are big, boys. The ruts are big. The ruts are really big. I don't like ruts. My butthole's clenching up. There we go. The track is rutted today, boys. This is like some pro national type shit. Dude, look, they got a little sand section here just like Supercross has on the start. That's cute. Hey, buddy! Boys, I gotta get back into the swing of riding. I know it sounds weird, but taking a 2-week break. Holy shit, dude. Oh my God. Are you serious? What the what is that? No, look at it's deep. Like I was saying, I know it's weird, but I gotta get back into the swing of riding riding big bikes again, because last weekend riding only pit bikes kind of screwed me. That was not last weekend, but the weekend before. So it's been probably a month since I've ridden. So gotta get back into the swing of things. Right now we're gaining. That's always the goal, right? Let's go. Alright boys, pretty good first run. Not too bad. Dude, the track today, we might as well be racing a Lucas Oil Pro National. This might as well be Red Bud or something. Yeah, that's why I cut the track, and then it got like a foot deep in mud. How's the Pro Circuit sound, buddy? Is it too raspy? No? You goober! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Damn it, dude, it sounds good. It doesn't sound nearly as raspy from the outside. Oh, give her the beans! Dude, you scared me when you passed me and you gave it when you just revved it a little bit, I jumped. I'm not gonna lie, it was kind of scary. I'm pissed we got in all that mud, dude, because now we got to clean all that shit up. Guys, I think so far with the slip-on, I think the power's a little bit more linear. It's a little bit more smooth. I'm noticing less of a bottom end on this now, maybe because it's letting more airflow out than it was before and it has less back pressure. Almost crashing in the staging area. Let's go. What happened? I think I want to try and go for that jump right there. I haven't seen Charlie in a long time. I don't know where he went. I probably need to go check up on him. Let's head back to the truck. Where'd he go? Dude, what? Oh, there he is. I'm so confused. He's back on the track. I thought this dude was like hurt or something, and he's just out there ripping still. Let's go, baby! Let's go! Yes, sir! Easy, almost died in the whoops. Let's go. I'm hyped, dude. That jump's good. That's a fun jump. I'm happy. That was fun. Now we got to go back and hit it again, but it is a checkered flag.
I had a video of you yelling and screaming.
We're right there?
I love it.
Dude, I'm like, that jump has been like killing me the past few times I've been here. Like, and it's not even that hard. Like, it's.
Man, once you get it, you're good.
Yeah.
I love it.
You know that like sand tabletop you cased last time we were here? Well, I hit that, and it's easy, but I landed it and I screamed because I was happy. And then when I was coming in, the guy waving the flag was like, "Dude, I love it. I heard all of your screaming when you hit that. It was so funny." Yes, I saw you on the side of the track. I thought you crashed and came back because I hadn't seen you. I came all the way back to the truck. Oh, nice. Nice. I got hair in my mouth. How did that work? Don't put that foot down. Got to get on the high side. All right, boys, I'm going to go for the table I hit last time again. Let's go. Easy, baby. I really want to hit this, but I was talking to a guy who was staged up with me. He was saying if I did want to hit it in the morning when there's not all those ruts on it. So maybe next time we'll send this step up. It's not even that big, dude. It's just like so rutted. Let's go, baby. I love it. Dang, dude, just spinning all the way. They're waving the flag, so we're gonna hit this one more time. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, consider liking and subscribing. And until next time, I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.